If you are craving for instant Maggi,
No, I am craving for instant yippee.
this quick and easy chili oil noodle will come in handy.
I know this can be quick and easy for me.
In a bowl, take finely chopped garlic,
For this video, I am choosing this Pokemon. I think there is a mole in my garlic.
Who the hell cares?
As a master chef of this generation, I took things into my own hands. Mold garlic,
sesame seeds,
sesame seeds.
chili flakes, oregano, Maggi taste maker.
She's going way too fast. Instead of chili flakes, I am using my never-ending chili oil. Yippee taste maker.
Hiya!
I think it's supposed to be a powder. I think it's expired. Why it's so crumbly? I made the best thing to make it unexpired.
Szechuan sauce and soy sauce.
I don't have Szechuan sauce, so I'm adding soy sauce.
Pour the hot oil into this bowl, then goes in your boiled and cooled Maggi.
This is supposed to be first step. I will boil my yippee now. Don't ask me why it's so small. It's average. I'm heating up the oil to make it hot. I can be silent for this one. For some reason, it sizzled more than my chili oil video. I'm adding my boiled hot Maggi. Since I'm too lazy to drain it, I'm using Gordon Ramsay's technique.
Really, nigga?
Toss the Maggi to combine well. It took less than 10 minutes and your chili oil Maggi is ready.
It took 30 minutes to make this video.
24 hours
I know. I'm screwing up.
to prepare this.
Adding some sesame seeds for garnish. The taste test.
Woo! Yeah!